Hello, my name is Kev from dataSights. In this super short video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Excel to your Accelo data via your data hub. So first thing is obviously open Excel and head to the data tab. From here, you want to click on Get, From Database, From SQL Server Database. Then if you pop over to your data hub, under the video guides connect to category, we do have this more generic video, but this one is specific to Accelo. So either or, whatever floats your boat. But the most important thing is to click on Cloud Database. And then what you can do is copy the server name, right? And then on the next screen, which unfortunately I'll skip through here because it's already loaded, is that you'll get a little tab. It'll say Windows Database. Click on Database, and then copy the username and password from that previous screen that we were on, and put it in here. Click OK, and then you're in. Essentially, and this is a once-off process. After that, we can pretty much, not have to do this connection thing again. After that, select the Accelo table that you want. Or SQL View if we've helped you create some of those, or if you want to create them yourselves. Make sure you click Table and New Worksheet, and then there we go. Now it's at this point that you can save this workbook down, open it tomorrow or trigger another refresh from the platform or wait for the scheduled syncs to happen, whatever. And then tomorrow you can, or after that, you just go refresh all anytime really. And if there's new data in the database, cloud database, it will pull that down. So any VLOOKUPs, pivot tables, sum ifs, whatever you build off of these tables that are automated, they'll automatically update after you click refresh all. So bottom line, never export a CSV again. Pull in just the data you need and turn Excel into the tool that it's meant to be for cool formulas, nice visualizations, and flexible input cells, and not use it for data wrangling, and get away from clunky spreadsheets that are super resource intensive, fragile, and can only be operated by one or two people, and put it in the hands of pretty much anyone who needs it. Cool. Hope that makes sense. Any questions anytime, hit us in the chat box below, and hopefully see you soon. Thanks. Cheers. Bye-bye.